If you're building a membership site, online course, or even a coaching program, you probably need a private member area, a place where only members can access exclusive content. Hey there, I'm Carmen, and in this video I will show you exactly how to build a private member area on your WordPress site using Profile Builder. No coding required. Before we start, here's what you'll need: a WordPress site and Profile Builder. If you don't have it yet, just go to Plugins, Add New, and search for Profile Builder. Install and then activate it. Once it's active, we can start building the structure. First, you're going to need a registration and a login page for your users so they can access your content. Profile Builder creates these and all other user-related pages automatically upon installation. You can check them out and tweak them to your liking if you have any special preferences. For example, you might want to add a custom redirect for the people who log in or out. Or you might want to change the page title or add extra content on the pages. Good. Now that users can register and log in from the front end of your site, there's no need for the default WordPress login screen. Now let's create the actual protected area. Go to Pages and click on Add New. Call it something like Member Dashboard or Private Area and add whatever private content you want here, like a custom welcome message, different courses, premium resources, exclusive videos, or just anything really. But keep in mind, this is your members only space, so it needs to be something valuable, so people are curious to become members. Click Save and it's live. Amazing. Now you have an exclusive members area, but right now it's still public. Let's fix that. First, go to Profile Builder settings. Then navigate to the Content Restriction tab and enable the functionality. Don't forget to save your changes. Now on the same page that we previously created, find the Meta Boxes section. You'll see the Profile Builder Content Restriction box. Here's where the magic happens. You can restrict this page to logged-in users or restrict it to specific user roles. For example, if you only want logged-in users to access it, select that option in the Display For section. You can also pick specific user roles if you prefer. Then choose what happens to non-members. Show them a message explaining what they need to do to gain access, or send them to a different page, like the login or registration page, for example. Don't forget to update the page. Now try visiting it while logged out. Access denied. Perfect. And just like that, you've created a private member area for logged-in users. But maybe you would like to go more granular. Maybe having the users logged in is not enough for you to grant them access to the members area. Maybe you want them to have a specific user role. Profile Builder lets you create your own user roles and give them custom permissions. Just go to the Roles editor and add a new role with as many custom capabilities as you want. You can then assign this new user role to the people signing up through your brand new registration form. Now, when you restrict a page, you can choose to display its content to this new user role only. And that's it. You now have front-end registration, front-end login, a protected members only page, custom user roles, and a clean user experience. And all that without custom development. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for even more WordPress tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of membership site you are building. I'd love to hear about it. See you in the next one.